Hey going guys, it's just our FAQ video for the 200 series. So it'll be 2007 I think to about 2015. Your dash will look like this. This will cover GX, GXL and the VX. If you have the Sahara, you won't have this AC, the panel down here, and you'll have some built-in sort of thing up here. This is so not for that model. You'll have to use a different head unit. But for this model, if you've got a big hazard button here that looks like that, and your dash vents are like this, then this is the SKU for you. We will keep the factory reverse camera. That will keep working. If you don't have a factory reverse camera because you had like a VX, I'll put one in the kit. So you're going to have a reverse camera no matter what. Steering wheel controls. They will keep working, so that is all good. All your current functions on here will keep working. This can't do too much, so that's fine. What else is going on? That's about it. You'll see that's what the factory one looks like, and you'll show you ours put in a second. Going guys, so we'll just finish off the FAQ here for the 200 series. So you can see we've got quick boot. I just started it up. That's pretty cool. You can see the unit sits in there, all looks nice and factory. We retain our reverse camera, that all works. And we also have a factory fit reverse camera upgrade if you want one of those. Steering wheel controls still work, and everything you need to install the units in the kit. It'll probably take you a couple hours. What are the questions would you have? We've got a wireless CarPlay, so wireless Android Auto. Kit comes with a car scanner so you can see trans temp, and it runs Android as a base unit, so you can install the apps you want from the Play Store, etc. HD touchscreen, great units. If you have this car, that should hopefully cover any questions you have. If you don't, you can always give us a call, reach out, and I will be able to help you out with any other questions.